This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable bolt from the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the engine lower splash shield if equipped, then disconnect the oil level sensor electrical connector. Remove the transmission bell housing cover bolt. Unclip and remove the starter solenoid shield located above the solenoid. If currently accessible, unscrew the cable nuts and disconnect the starter solenoid electrical connections from the solenoid. Otherwise, wait until the starter motor can be repositioned to access the connections. Remove the starter motor mounting bolts. Slide the starter motor rearward from the transmission bell housing, remove the bell housing cover, then remove the starter motor. Position the starter motor near its mounting on the bell housing. Allow the cover to pass through the nose of the starter, then install the starter onto the bell housing and screw in the mounting bolts. Install the transmission bell housing cover bolt and tighten it securely. Tighten the starter motor mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Connect the starter motor electrical connections to the correct stud terminals, then screw on the nuts and tighten them securely. Install the metal shield onto the top of the starter solenoid, making sure the clips are engaged. Connect the oil level sensor electrical connector. Lower the car to the ground. Unblock the wheels. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable bolt securely.